Welcome to Technoland Expert World. In this video I will show you that the loader using the circular movement, and here is the three dotted animation which is rotating vertically, and it's like two dot which is the eye of the human, and the third one is just rotating, and the third one is just rotating. It is going on respectively, and it's just moving one by one. So I hope this is very cute and something looks different than the others. So here you can see the SBG path and the SBG frame. Here we have the design, the three circle. Here you can see the circle is the three circle, and which is different depth of the or radius of the circle, and which is connected with each other, and this is the three layer of circle, and inside the circle the three dotted has designed with like the same shape as circle, and the main prior color is the navy blue. So in this animation you can see we have used multiple circle, and I have just changed this color. So here you can see the greenish, I have just changed it the orange color, and now it's look like different, but this is not matching with this animation or the other colors of the circle. So that's why I think this should be changed. So after that I have decided that this color will not perfect for this animation, so we should use the navy blue again, cause navy blue is near about the black color, black and some bluish color. So this, the third one, you can see the third circular shape is navy blue, which is matched with the shadow of the two different circle, two inner circle, and with the outer body part of the black color. So that's why the third one is selected for the navy blue, and now the rest of the program has going on. So SBG horizon line circle, that's also blue color, sorry, sky blue color. And here you can see the three dotted outer part, three dotted outer part is looking like a shadow which is not visible correctly, but this shadow also designed for the navy blue. So hope you can look it and you can find it something different. So this is the end of this code. Hope you like this video and share with your friends and family. So welcome to my channel again, and bye bye.